So we came here to check with Homa Bay constituent residents. What are these cross-cutting county projects that they would want to be captured in this coming budget? Things that they believe, if done, would cut across the county. Like, you've heard about cotton, and generally you've heard about cross-cutting roads, you've heard about the ring road, the Gor Mahia ring road, you've heard about fish factories that are required, you've heard about water system, you've heard about sewerage system. So we are happy that we came, and we've had a lot of memoranda and contribution from the wananchi on what they want to be in the budget of this year.
I want to appreciate the level of awareness that the wananchi have. They are able to interrogate the budget summary, and they are able to say that instead of starting this here and this money is going to lie idle, put it on this other project. But what made me very happy is that they want more girls' schools started. They want more of emancipation of women in education so that we can create women leaders of tomorrow. And this came out clearly from Suba South. But even in Rangwe, we have one ward, Game West Ward, that does not have a substantive girls' school, but we have Nyopuge girls. And I should think that the money that is going to be given to Rangwe, if they are most willing, we should push it to Nyopuge girls.
That we've been asked about are already on the budget. Like the roads we're talking about, the budget framework as it is now does not indicate all the roads as it were. But all the roads that have been asked about today, I'm aware and certain that all of them are in the budget. The only issue that has been raised by wananchi, which is also important to highlight, is that we are putting very small monies for very big projects. Like the road of 30 kilometers and you put 200 million shillings, the road of 30 kilometers or 10 kilometers, we put only 70 million shillings. So we're going to ensure that the roads that are started, budget committee, the roads that are started, we put enough resources so that what you start, you finish. If it is a TTI that has been started, start and finish. If it is a college you started, start and finish. If it's an office you started, that's what we've had here, that they want us to finish the project that we've started. They don't want us to start new projects before we finish once we've started. We've also heard that the young people want monies allocated for the issues that concern them. Not just business, but their training opportunities, their job opportunities, kazi ya kuenda ngambo. They want to be organized. We've had women also want the monies being given to them enhanced for business. You've heard in there, and we agree with them, that pesa ya wazee, maisha mepanda, they want it to be moved from 2,000 to 4,000. Inua Jamii, the same. They have told us they want SHA to work, and they want Parliament to put enough money in SHA so that even those who cannot afford can get, can get their monies. Community health promoters.
The people feel that the monies that are being allocated, they should consider actually some of the, for example, they say that if you're giving me money for cotton, but I don't have a dam that I can use that water for that ginnery that you want to be there, then what the cotton, whatever, is going to be a stalled project. And you see, we have so many stalled projects because of this, because we don't consider sometimes what is it, or even a road that is going to nowhere, yet there's a road that is needed to go to the, let's say, the beach or the fishing area where they need the fish landing, where they need the road, and that will help them to actually enhance their trade, even in the agricultural areas.
I love to encourage Parliament, because I sit in Parliament, that we need to increase the pace where we involve public more on issues of budget making, because you see, majority of the people are very concerned and conversant with the process, the way it is going. So me personally, I appreciate the 2010 Constitution, and more so involving the public on how their money is being used. It also brings transparency and accountability.
Mimi kulingana na constituency yenye natoka, nilikuwa nafikiria nitapata budget ya barabara kulingana karibu 30 years back. Ilisemwa mambo na soko, mambo na maji, but sijasikia hizo.
When I was trying to look at the budget, the allocation that has been to our youth is somehow good. And let the budget or the allocation that has been given to our youth only be benefited from the upper people. It should reach the ground. I can just remember very well when Ruto was campaigning, the President told us very well, it's bottom up. So I would just request him, let whatever has been allocated for our youth to reach the youth at the lower level.